What is the name? What is the name? Name is symmetry. Okay. This is the lesson. Symmetry. So write the topic. Symmetry. Symmetry. Okay. So topic is symmetry, right? Hari. So before going to the lesson, right, I'll show you a small video, right? So see, you can watch this video, right? Can you see my video? My video pena
Yes, sir.
Pena
Sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
But it is also often discussed in art and design. An object that has symmetry can be divided into identical pieces. When an object has symmetry, we say that it is symmetrical. When an object does not have symmetry, we say that it is asymmetrical. There are many different types of geometric symmetry, but today we are only going to talk about the simplest form, reflectional symmetry. An object or image that has reflectional symmetry is like a mirror image. If you were to draw an imaginary line down the center of a symmetrical object and fold it in half along that line, the shapes would match up. This imaginary line is called a line of symmetry. Some symmetrical objects only have one line of symmetry, while others have more. For example, this triangle only has one line of symmetry, straight down the middle, because if you try to divide it any other way, the pieces don't match up. This triangle, on the other hand, has three lines of symmetry. You could fold it here, here, or here, and each time the halves would be the same. A square has four lines of symmetry. You could divide it in half from left to right, top to bottom, or from corner to corner either way. Symmetry is often found in nature. One favorite example of this is a butterfly. When a butterfly folds its wings, it is easy to see that they are the same shape. Now that you know what symmetry means, see if you can find symmetrical objects near you. You may be surprised by how many things are symmetrical.
Right. Now you saw symmetrical objects, right? Symmetrical. දැන් අදහසක් තියෙනවද මොකක්ද මේ symmetry කියන්නේ කියලා? Right?
Yes, sir. Mamma,
Right. See? Right. Symmetry. Right? See now? This one. Right. See? I'll show you again symmetrical figures. Okay? In the early video, you saw so many symmetrical figures. Right? Symmetrical figures. Now again, I'll show you symmetrical figures. Mewa symmetrical figures. Right? You can see now. Right? First one, symmetrical. Second one is also asymmetrical. Then third one is also symmetrical figure. Right. Now see another one. This butterfly. Okay. And this picture. Right. And also this one. Those are symmetrical. Right. See another one. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So 8 symmetrical figures, right? So those all are called symmetrical figures, right? Right. So now you have an idea what is symmetrical figures, right? මොකද්ද මේ symmetrical figure එකක් කියන්නේ? ඔය තියෙන figure එකක් හරියටම දෙකට මැද්දෙන් නමපුවාම, right? දෙපැත්ත equal, right? Both sides equal. So that type of one we call symmetrical figure, right? So in this lesson you are going to learn only this type of figure. What is the figure? This is the yes, this is the symmetrical figure, right? Bilateral symmetrical figures, right? ඔයාලා මේ lesson එකෙන් ඉගෙන ගන්න මොනවා ගැන විතරද? Bilateral symmetrical figures, right? So write small topic. Bilateral symmetrical figures. Bilateral symmetrical figures. Okay, right. Now see this butterfly, right? See this butterfly, you can fold. See, you can fold. Make a namanda puluwan. Fold. Okay. Fold along this dotted line. Right. Fold along this dotted line. Okay. So this dotted line. Right. This dotted line. Right. You can fold. Right. Now see again. This is the dotted line, right? So this dotted line we name as axis of symmetry, right? මේ butterfly කියන මේ figure එක මෙතනින් තමයි හරියටම නමන්න පුළුවන් දෙකට මැද්දේ. එතකොට මෙන්න මේ කියන line එකට කියන්නේ කවුරු කියලාද? Axis of symmetry, right? Axis of symmetry. This dotted line is called axis of symmetry, right? Now see another one. This is a rectangle. Okay. So this rectangle you can fold. Fold කියන්නේ නමනවා නේ. මේක දෙකට නමනවා. Right? Fold into two. So you can fold along this line. Right? This line. Is there any method you can fold again? මේ විදිය නැතුව වෙන විදියක් තියනවද?
Yes.
Yes. This is the another one, right? So now how many axes? How many axes of symmetry?
Two.
Here two axes of symmetry. Okay. This butterfly only one axis, that is called axis of symmetry. May one spelling AX IX, only one, right? This rectangle has 1 2, right? This is two axis of symmetry. එකකට වැඩි වුණාම අපි ලියන්න වෙන්නේ AX EX, right? So one is axis I more than one, that is also pronounced as axis. So this one has two axes of symmetry. Okay, so this bilateral figure. Now see again, this is the rectangle. Okay, now you can fall along this line. මෙන්න මේ line එක දිගේ නමන්න පුළුවන්. right? නමපුවාම මොකද වෙන්නේ බලන්න. දැන් මේක හොයන්නේ අපි දෙකට නමලා. හරි? fold into 2. right? This, see this figure, right? This figure fold along this line. මෙන්න මේ line එක දිගේ නමනවා. right? නම්පුවාම බලන්න. This is one part. Okay, this is one part, this is another part. So I name as this part is 1, this part is 2. So what can you say about the two parts? What can you say about the two parts? මොකද කියන්න පුළුවන් මේ parts දෙක ගැන?
Equal.
What is equal?
The two party equal.
What is
Two
equal?
parts.
Two parts
Two
equal.
parts is equal.
මේ parts දෙකේ මොනවද equal වෙන්නේ? see මේ same shape. shape හැඩය දන්නවනේ. two parts same shape. Another one is same size. Right? So if you fold along this line, two parts same shape, same size. Right? So this figure is called bilateral symmetrical figure. Right? එතකොට මේ බලන්න, bilateral symmetrical figure එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? මේ තියෙන figure එක දෙකට නමපුවාම මේ හම්බෙන කොටස් දෙක කොහොමද වෙන්න ඕන? parts දෙක same shape, same size. Okay, then we call this is bilateral symmetrical figure. right? එතකොට අපි කියනවා මෙයාට මොකක් කියලාද? bilateral symmetrical figure. right? මේ බලන්න ආයෙ තව චූටි දෙයක් තියෙනවා. see, this is the figure. Okay, right? So this figure I can fold along this line. මෙන්න මෙතනින් නමනවා. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ කොටස ඇවිල්ලා, right? මේ කොටස ඇවිල්ලා හරියටම මේක උඩට වැටෙනවා. තේරෙනවද මං කියන එක? මෙතනින් නමපුවාම මේ කොටස ඇවිල්ලා හරියටම මේක උඩට වැටෙනවා. right? So see this one. right? අපි ඔයාලගේ ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එක ගමු grade 6 වල. මේ බලන්න. This is my plane figure. Okay, plane figure. Now I fold along this line. මෙන්න මේ line එක දිගේ නමනවා. එතන මොකද වෙන්නේ බලන්න මේ? This part fold into other part. දැන් parts දෙකක් පේනවද? දැන් parts දෙකක් පේනවද? Now you can't see two parts. Now only one part. Okay, this is symmetrical figure. right? මේ බලන්න, මේ තියෙන plane figure එක මෙතනින් නමපුවාම මේ කොටස ඇවිල්ලා මේ කොටස උඩට වැටෙනවා. right? එක කොටසක් අනිත් කොටස උඩට වැටෙනවා. අන්නේ නමපුවාම, right? fold one part, fall on the other part. We say coincide. right? මේ කොටස උඩට වැටෙනවට අපි මොනවා කියලාද? මේ කොටස මෙයා උඩට වැටෙනවට කියනවා අපි මොනවා වෙනවා කියලාද? coincide. right? So one part coincide with the other part. right? Then we call this figure is bilateral symmetrical figure. right? එතකොට figure එකක් bilateral symmetrical figure එකක්ද කියලා හොයාගන්නේ කොහොමද? fold නමන්න ඕන. right? fold into two. One part coincide with the other part, that is bilateral symmetrical figure. Okay, so you have to fold into 2, right? Fold into 2, right? When fold into 2, one part, right? One part coincide with the other part, right? Other part figure is bilateral symmetrical figure. Okay, important one is you have to fold, right? Then one part should coincide, right? එතකොට fold නමකුවාම coincide වෙනවා නම් අපි ඒකට කියනවා මොකක් කියලාද? bilateral symmetrical figure. Okay, right. Now draw this one. Please draw this one. Okay, finish. Finish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Right, now put a star mark and write down this one. When a plane figure fold into 2, one part coincide with the other part, we say that it is a bilateral symmetrical figure, right? Bilateral symmetrical figure, right?
Sir,
Yes.
අර coin CON CI D වලට පස්සේ මොනවාකුත්ද තියෙන්නේ?
DE coincide කියන්නේ එක කොටසක් අනිත් කොටස උඩට හරියටම වැටෙනවට, right? අපි සිංහලෙන් වචනයක් කියන්නේ සමපාත වෙනවා කියලා, right? සමපාත වෙනවා, right? So important one is fold නමන්න ඕන. එතකොට coincide වෙන්න ඕන, right? එතකොට තමයි කියන්නේ මොකක් කියලාද? Bilateral symmetrical figure. Okay? bilateral symmetrical figure. Right, finish?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Hurry up, right? Okay, finish.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Right. So again I told you, you have to fold coincide. Okay. Right. Now we mark that axis. Okay. See. Again I draw this one. Right. This is the fold line. What is the name of this line? Axis of
Symmetry.
Axis of symmetry. Right. This line, this fold line is called axis of symmetry. Okay. So some figure has only one axis, right? Some figure has more than one, right? සමහර ඒවට තියෙන්නේ එක axis එකයි. එතකොටත් ඒක bilateral symmetrical figure එකක්, right? සමහර ඒවට එකකට වැඩිය තියෙනවා, right? ඒවත් මොනවාද? Bilateral symmetrical figure. Okay, right. Mark this one. Name this one is axis of symmetry. මෙයා mark කරගමු axis of symmetry. ඔය mic එක off කරගමුත් කවුද? මේ දැන් ටිකක් වෙලා ගියාම අමතක වෙනවා mic එක on කරගෙනද off කරගෙනද ඉන්නේ නේද? ඊට පස්සේ සාමාන්‍ය විදියට ගෙදර ඉඳන් කෑ ගන්නවා. Okay? Right. This fold line is axis of symmetry. Right? Right. Now, in the early video, you saw this one. This is what? What is the name?
Square.
Square. How many times you can fold?
4.
4 times. What are the methods? See, you can fold along this line. One axis of symmetry. This part coincide with this part. Then you can fold this way. 2 axes of symmetry. Then you can fold along this line also. 3 axis of symmetry. Then you can fold this way also. Now how many? 4 axes of symmetry. Right? That is 4 axes. Now I again told you 1 AXIS. Right? More than 1 AXES. Okay? Be careful. Right. Please draw this one and draw the dotted 4 line and name. There are 4 axes of symmetry. Four axes of symmetry. Take the tune. Question number 1. Okay. See question number 1. What is question asked? Choose the bilateral symmetric figures with a correctly drawn axis of symmetry. Correctly drawn. හරියට ඇඳලා තියෙන එකයි තෝරන්න ඕන. Right? From the following and underline it. Right? So select, choose bilateral symmetrical figures. So underline only bilateral symmetrical figures. Right? මේ හැම එකම bilateral symmetrical වෙන්නේ නැහැ. බලන්න තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? ඔය dotted line එක දිගේ නමපුවාම එක කොටසක් උඩට අනිත් කොටස වැටෙනවාද? Coincide or not? If coincide, that is bilateral symmetrical figure. So please hurry up, do. Let's see the answers. Right. First figure, is it bilateral symmetrical figure?
Yes.
First figure, bilateral symmetrical. Second figure?
Yes.
Second figure, bilateral second figure. Third figure? Yes or no?
Yes.
Third figure,
No.
bilateral. Third figure, bilateral.
No.
Third figure.
Yes.
This one. See? Third figure is this one. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
This one. This one. Bilateral. Fourth figure. Fourth figure. Fourth figure is not bilateral symmetrical figure. See? Fourth figure. This one. Right? This one. Fall this way. Is it bilateral symmetrical figure? This one.
No.
That is not. Why? Make a මෙතනින් නැමුවොත් මේ කොටස උඩට හරියටම වැටෙන්නේ නැහැ. Right? Understood? So fourth is not bilateral symmetrical figure. Number 5. This one. What about this one? That is not a bilateral symmetrical figure. This figure. This figure?
Yes.
That is bilateral symmetrical figure, right? Then this arrow mark shape. This one? Tell me. This one?
Yes.
That is bilateral symmetrical figure.
Bilateral.
Last one? Last one. What about
Bilateral.
one? That is no. Last one is no. Why
No.
is
No. No, sir.
so one part is big, one part is
Sir.
one part is
Yes,
big,
sir.
another part is small. Okay? Right, okay, good. Now try the second question. Question number 2.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Last එක මේ bilateral එකක්ද නැද්ද එකක්ද?
ඒක ඔය ඇඳලා තියෙන විදිහට ඔය dotted line එකෙන් ඇඳාම එක කොටසක් ලොකුයි අනිත් කොටස පොඩි නේද? ඒකෙන්ද ඒක bilateral symmetrical වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි හරියටම මෙහෙම එකක් තිබ්බනම් මේ ගාන්ධිනවාරේ හරියටම මෙහෙම තිබ්බනම් මේ මැද්දෙන් මේ කොටසයි equal වුණා නම් ওই කතාව හරි. නේ? නමුත් මේකේ බලපු විදියට මේ පැත්ත ලොකුයි නේද? නේද?
ඔව් සර්.
So therefore that is not bilateral. That is not bilateral. Okay? Second question say draw the axis of symmetry. Right? You have to draw dotted line and write the number of that one please correct down. Write the number of axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry එක තියෙන්නේ ones of symmetry කියලා. ඒක axis of symmetry විදියට හදා. Right, let's see the answers. See, I draw that figures. Right, first one, draw the axis of symmetry. Right, so this one you can draw this way dotted line, you can draw this way and also this way and this one. So you can write how many axes? 4 axes of symmetry. Okay. Second, this one, how many axes? This figure?
One.
Only one?
One.
3.
This one you can fall along this line and also along this line and also along this line. How many? 3 axes of symmetry. Understood? Okay. හරිද මේක? මේක හරිද?
Yes, sir.
හරි.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This figure. This figure. How many axes?
One.
One. You can draw this way only. One axis. Right? This figure. How many axes?
1.
Only one. You can fall along this way. Right? This line only. One axis of symmetry. Right? This figure. So this is not nice one now, but your cute one is good. Huh? This one. How many? How many axes?
2.
2.
2.
4.
Huh?
4.
4.
4.
Let's see. See. You can fall along this line. 1. Right? Or you can fall along this line. Right? Or you can fall along this line. Or you can fall along this line. Right? And you can fall along this line. And also you can fall along this line. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes.
How many?
4.
How many? 6. May we start here. මෙතනින් පටන් ගන්න. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. This figure has 6 axes of symmetry. Six axes of symmetry. Last figure, how many axes?
1,
This figure has
1,
only one. This is the line, right? This is the axis of symmetry. That is only one axis of symmetry, right? Hari. Now third question. Third. So that one say put tick mark in front of the correct statement and cross mark in front of the incorrect statement. So try to put the mark. බලන්න ඔයාලට තේරෙන විදිහට කියවලා මාක් කරමු. Right, now you can mark. Let's see the first statement. What is first statement? See, in a bilateral symmetrical figure, two parts on the either side of the axis of symmetry are equal in shape and size. Equal in shape and size. Is that correct or wrong?
correct.
That is correct. Okay, that is correct. You have to put tick mark. Right. Roman number 2. The maximum number of axes of symmetry. Maximum. एक यानी වැඩිම නේ? Maximum number of axes of symmetry in a bilateral symmetrical figure is 1. Is it correct?
Wrong.
That is wrong. That is wrong. So bilateral symmetrical figure has sometimes more than axis of symmetry. එකකට වැඩිය තියෙනවා. Right? So that statement is wrong. Right. Roman number 3. There are bilateral symmetric figures having more than one axis of symmetry. More than one. Is it correct?
Yes.
That is correct. Right? That is correct. More than one. එකකට වැඩිය තියෙනවා. හරි. Roman number 4. The number of axes of symmetry in a circular lamina. Circular lamina is greater than number of axes of symmetry in a square. In a square. Square එකකට වැඩිය circular lamina එකකට තියෙනවලු. See, this is a circular lamina. Circular lamina, right? Circle එකකින් cut කරගත්ත part එකක්. දැන් cardboard එකකින් cut කරගත්තා කියලා. එතකොට මේක තමයි කවුද? Circular lamina. Now, how many axes? Can you tell? How many axes? We can't say. See, this is one axis. This is another axis. This is another one. This is another one. This way you get another one. Right? How many? Can't count. Count කරලා ඉවර කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? We can't count. Right? Uncountable number of axis of symmetry. Right? So they say number of axis of symmetry in a circular lamina is greater than the number of axis of symmetry in a square. Square එකට වැඩිය මේකට තියෙනවලු. Is it correct?
Yes.
Is it correct? Square has only 4. නේ? Square එකට තියෙන 4යිනේ. මේකට තියෙනවා ගොඩාක්. Right? So that is correct. Right. Roman number 5. Right? 5. If a bilaterally symmetrical figure, right, which has at least two of symmetric, two axes of symmetry is cut along one axis and divided into two equal parts, then each part 2 will be bilateral symmetry. ඒ කතාව තේරෙනවද? මේ බලන්න මේම කියන්නේ මේ if a bilateral symmetrical figure, right? See, this is my මේක තමයි මගේ bilateral symmetrical figure. Okay? If a bilateral symmetrical figure which has at least two axes, එතකොට මේකට තියෙන්නේ කොහමද? මෙතනින් එක axis එකක් තියෙනවා, right? So I'll draw again this one. මේකමයි යන්නේ. This is the another axis of symmetry. මම මේකේ දෙකම ඇන්දේ නැහැ. මෙතනින් තමයි අනිත් එක අදින්න වෙන්නේ. Right? මම වෙන වෙනම ඇන්දා. Right? Now what is going to do? If a bilateral symmetrical figure which has two axes of symmetry, axis of symmetry දෙකක් තියෙන එකක් විතරයි. Right? Is cut along one axis. මෙන්න මෙතනින් cut කරලා අයින් කරනවා. Right? එතන මේ බලන්න. You get this type of figure. මෙන්න මෙතනින් cut කරපුවාම හම්බෙන්නේ මේව එකක්. මේ මම චුට්ටක් add කරලා දිනවා. This. Right? Then say, see, divide into two equal parts. This is one part. This is second part. Okay? Then say, each of this part, each of this one and this one will be bilateral symmetry. එතකොට මේකත් වෙනම bilateral symmetrical figure එකක් වෙනවලු. මේකත් bilateral symmetrical figure එකක් වෙනවලු. ඒක හරිද? correct. මේ කතාව තේරුණාද කියන්නේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා?
Yes, sir.
මේකේ කරන්නේ bilateral symmetrical figure එකක් ගන්නවා. හැබැයි ඒකට තියෙන්නේ axis දෙකයි. only two axes. මේ එක මෙතනින් අදින අනිත් එක මම වෙනම ඇඳා. එතකොට මේ line එක දිගේ cut කරපුවාම part දෙකක් හම්බ වෙනවානේ. මේ තමයි part දෙක. එතකොට මේ part 1 එක ගත්තාම මේකත් bilateral symmetrical. හරි. නේ? This one bilateral. Okay? Understood? මේකත් එහෙම නේද?
Yes, sir.
If you cut along this line, you get two parts. See, this is one, this is two. This is also bilateral symmetrical figure. This one is also bilateral symmetrical figure. Right? So that statement is correct. Okay? Correct. Alright. So that is bilateral symmetrical figure. Right. Now we are going to draw bilateral symmetrical figure. Right. දැන් අපි යන්නේ මොනා කරන්නද? Bilateral symmetrical figure එකක් අදින්න. Right. So we are going to draw. Right. Now see. මේ බලන්න. See this one. Right. Right. Now write the topic. Write this topic. Drawing bilateral symmetric plane figure. Right. Now we are going to draw. Okay? Going to draw. Right. See, I'll show you one. Right? this is my piece of paper. Okay. Now in your exercise book, square rule book, you have this type of page. Ne? ඔයාලගේ කොටු පොතේ මේ වගේ කොටු දැලක් නේ තියෙන්නේ නේද? Right. Now this is my what? What is this red dotted line? What is this red dotted line?
Axis of symmetry.
Axis of symmetry. This is axis of symmetry. Okay. Now my figure is this one. See, this is 1 point. See, this is 1 point. So that point I name as capital A. Okay, capital A point. Then I mark another point here, capital B, right? Then capital C, right? Capital A point, capital B point, capital C point. Now I join. See, A point, B point join, right? B point, C point join, right? Then I'll join to the axis of symmetry, right? So now I want to draw the other part, right? This right hand side part I want to draw. මේකේ අනිත් පැත්ත ඇඳ ගන්න ඕන. හැබැයි මේ තියෙන dotted line එක දිගේ නමපුවාම මේ කොටස හරියටම මේ කොටස තියෙන්න ඕන. Right? Now first I mark the A point and B point and C point in this part. Right? I'm going to mark. See, capital A point. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is the point A. So now I mark that one A dash. Okay? A dash. Then I'm going to mark the B point. B point is along this line. 2 square. Right? Take 2 square. Here is the B. That is named as B dash. Then I mark the C. See? 1, 2, 3 square. So 1, 2, 3. C is here. C dash. Now I can join. Right? This way join. Okay? A dash and B dash. B dash. C dash. Then this one. Now you can see this is a bilateral symmetrical figure. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that is how to draw. Okay? Please draw this one.
සර් එතකොට ඔක ටියුට් එකේ තියෙන්නේ ඔහම කොටු එක නෙමෙයිනේ. එතකොට කොහොමද සර් අඳින්නේ?
ටියුට් එකේ කොටු දාන්න බැරුව ගිහිල්ලා මට. Question number 5. Okay? Question number 4 වල ටික පස්සේ හදන්න. Question number 5. Complete the following figures having 2 axes of symmetry. Now that figure has 2 axes of symmetry. Right. So please complete the first figure. First figure. Hurry up. Complete the first figure. Right, let's see. Right, see. So I'll continue how to draw the bilateral symmetrical figure having 2 axes. Okay? 2 axes. See. First, you can continue this part. See, this way you have to draw, then this way draw, then this part is okay now. Right? Then draw this part. Draw this way, right? This way and this way. Then this part you can continue, right? Then draw this way, right? So I think you can. ඒක පුළුවන් නේද හදාගන්න?
අඳින්න ඉඩ මදිනේ.
පුළුවන් sir.
ඔව් වෙන්න ඇති නේ? right? එතකොට ඔයාලගේ පොතේ අඳින්න right? හරි. So I think you can complete. Right. So do that one. Right. Now we can create bilateral symmetrical figure. Right? We can create. Right? අපිට මේවා හදන්න පුළුවන්. Right? So you can use piece of paper. See? This one. I'll show you one. See? See this one, right? See this one. I'll show you another video. That video has how to create another plane bilateral symmetrical figure. So see this one. This is the video.
Paper of a rectangular shape. Let us first fold it so that we get a center line. Is this fold a line of symmetry? 1. Yes, it is. One side of this shape looks exactly like another if you fold it. Let us learn about blot painting method. Take some watercolor and a sheet of paper. First, fold the sheet into half so that we get a center line. Now, open it. Can you see the line in the middle? We can see that this line divides this page into 2 equal parts. Now, put few drops of ink randomly on the one half of the paper. Then, fold the paper back again and press it down. Now open the paper. We can see that the ink has spread over and formed a pattern.
Okay. Right?
Excuse me,
So,
sir.
yes.
ඒකේ sir line of symmetry කියන්නේ තිබ්බ line of symmetry කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
ඔව් ඒක මෙහෙ එකක් නෙමෙයි ඒක. right? දැන් අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න එක axis of symmetry කියලානේ. නේද? ඒක මෙහෙ ලංකාව එකක් නෙමෙයි. ඒක වෙන රටක එකක්. එතකොට ඒගොල්ලෝ යූස් කරන්නේ වෙන වචන. right? ඔය axis of symmetry වලට line of symmetry කියලාත් කියනවා. right? හරි ඒක නෙමෙයි මට පෙන්වන්න ඕනේ කොහොමද අර plane figure එක හදාගන්නේ කියලා. bilateral symmetrical figure. right? So you also can try. Understood?
Similarly, draw
Right.
a butterfly.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
See another one. So that video has another part. See that part also.
Using this method. For that, paint half of the butterfly on the one side of the fold of drawing paper. We use 3 different paint colors to make it look more beautiful. Now fold the paper, press it down and open it. Here is our butterfly painting ready. Isn't it beautiful? If we observe, we can see that both the halves are identical. Is the resulting figure symmetric? Let's check if we place a mirror in between the painting.
Right. Okay. So that way, right? We can create, right? That type of plane figures. Right? So you can try, right? So in your textbook also has that type of method, right? Alright. Now in the tute, right? In the tute, you can try the question number 6 and also 7th one also, right? Understood? So this is about the symmetric lesson, right? Symmetric lesson. So small lesson, easy lesson, right? So in this lesson you learn bilateral symmetrical figure, right? Bilateral.
Sir,
Yes.
1 එකයි 7th 1 එකයි විතරයි නේද?
ඔව් ඒ දෙක විතරයි ඔය lesson එකේ තියෙන්නේ. ඊළඟට තියෙන ඊළඟ lesson එක, right? Number 6, number 7. Okay? So next day I will do the operations on whole numbers, right? Mathematical operations on whole number, right? එතකොට ඊළඟ දවසේ කරන්නේ ඊළඟ lesson එක, right? හරි. So enough for today, right? එන අදට ඇති. Yes.
ඕකේ රෙකෝඩ් කරපු එක සර් ලින්ක් එක දානවද?
මම රෙකෝඩ් කරුවේ නෑ.
සර් මෙතනින් වැටෙනවා රෙකෝඩ් කියලා.
එහෙමද?
ඔව් සර්.
රෙකෝඩ් එක ඕනද? දැන් ඉගෙන ගත්තානේ. දැන් බැලුවානේ. ආයෙ මොකටද රෙකෝඩ් එක?
Happy New Year, sir.
right, thank you. හරි මම රෙකෝඩ් එක YouTube channel එකට දාන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලා එකෙන් බලන්න. ඊතර මම link එක දෙන්නම් ඈ. හරි එහෙනම් God bless you all, right?
God bless you, sir.
God bless you, sir.